Are your muscles quietly fading away while you feel just a little more tired every day? What if the secret to reversing it isn't more exercise, but one missing nutrient? By age 70, you could lose up to 40% of your muscle mass without even realizing it, putting your independence and mobility at serious risk. The good news? You can take back control starting today, with 8 proven vitamins and nutrients that help older adults stop, slow, and even reverse muscle loss naturally. In this video, we'll reveal the exact supplements, food sources, and dosage tips you need to stay strong, active, and independent well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Whether you've tried physical therapy with no success or just feel weaker than you used to, these 8 muscle-saving solutions can change your daily life, fast. We'll cover essentials like CoQ10, vitamin D, B12, magnesium, and even some overlooked heroes like omega-3 and creatine, all backed by the latest science. According to the National Institute on Aging, seniors who restore these nutrients see up to 87% improvement in daily functions, like climbing stairs or carrying groceries. Let us know in the comments where you're watching from. We'd love to hear your story and what health topics matter most to you right now. Remember, it's never too late to rebuild your strength and protect your freedom. Your body is waiting for the right support. Here's a fact most people don't know. Harvard Medical School found that statin drugs can drain your body's CoQ10 levels, accelerating muscle weakness in seniors. You can start saving yourself today. Coenzyme Q10 or CoQ10 is like a hidden battery inside your muscles, quietly fueling your strength, energy, and everyday movement as you age. As we get older, especially after 50, our bodies naturally produce less CoQ10, and common medications like statins can lower it even more, leading to weakness and fatigue. This nutrient is essential for generating ATP, the main energy source your muscles rely on. Without enough of it, even small tasks can feel exhausting. According to Harvard Medical School, statins can reduce CoQ10 levels significantly, and Johns Hopkins medicine links CoQ10 deficiency to faster muscle loss in seniors. To support muscle strength and mobility, take 1 to 1.2 milligrams of CoQ10 daily, preferably the active form called ubiquinol for better absorption. You can also add small portions of fatty fish like salmon, organ meats like liver, or try CoQ10 fortified nutritional shakes with breakfast or lunch. For example, a retired woman in her 60s started taking 200 mg of ubiquinol daily and noticed she could walk farther and lift groceries without strain. Try pairing CoQ10 with a meal containing healthy fat, like avocado toast or olive oil-based salad, to boost its absorption and support healthy aging. This simple step can help prevent muscle loss, restore vitality, and improve senior health without changing your entire routine. You have the power to take control of your senior health and stay strong after 50. Your energy, mobility, and strength are worth protecting. Vitamin D is more than just a bone booster. It's a vital key to muscle, strength, balance, and overall senior health as we age. After 50, our skin makes less vitamin D from sunlight, and many seniors don't get enough from diet alone, leading to weakness and poor mobility. Vitamin D helps your muscles contract properly by managing calcium absorption. Without it, your muscles feel slow, shaky, and uncoordinated. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, reports that over 40% of seniors are deficient in vitamin D, especially those who stay indoors or live in colder climates. Harvard Medical School found that seniors with optimal vitamin D levels had better balance and were 20% less likely to fall than those who were deficient. To support healthy aging and prevent muscle loss, aim for 800 to 2,000 IU of vitamin D daily, especially the D3 form, which absorbs better. You can boost vitamin D naturally through 15 minutes of morning sunlight or by eating salmon, mackerel, eggs, and fortified milk or cereal. A retired man in his 70s added D3 soft gels with breakfast and noticed better posture, steadier steps, and less soreness after walking. Try combining vitamin D with a light outdoor walk or pairing it with meals containing fat for better absorption and improved mobility. This small daily habit can protect your independence, prevent falls, and give you the balance and strength to enjoy life after 50. Vitamin B12 is essential for muscle strength, nerve communication, and overall senior health, yet it's one of the most overlooked deficiencies in older adults. As we age, especially after 60, our stomach produces less acid, making it harder to absorb B12 from food sources like meat or dairy. Without enough B12, the nerves that signal your muscles begin to misfire, leading to weakness, shaking, and sometimes a staggering walk. Johns Hopkins medicine warns that B12 deficiency is often mistaken for normal aging, masking early signs like fatigue and loss of coordination. Harvard Medical School adds that seniors taking metformin or proton pump inhibitors face a higher risk of B12 deficiency due to poor absorption. To support healthy aging, experts recommend 2.4 mg daily through fortified foods or supplements. Methylcobalamin form works best for energy and mobility. Good sources include eggs, milk, tuna, beef, and fortified cereals. Try combining them in simple meals like tuna salad or egg toast. A senior woman noticed improved balance and clearer thinking within a month of using a sublingual B12 supplement in the mornings. For better results, take B12 on an empty stomach or choose a spray or lozenge form that bypasses digestion and absorbs quickly. With just one mindful change, you can protect your nerves, maintain your strength, and reclaim your independence after 60 and beyond. Vitamin C is not just for immunity. It plays a crucial role in muscle strength, tissue repair, and healthy aging for seniors over 50. As we grow older, our bodies become less efficient at maintaining connective tissues that support muscles, making vitamin C even more important. Vitamin C helps build collagen, a protein that holds muscles together and protects them from injury during everyday activities. The Mayo Clinic and National Institutes of Health, NIH, both confirmed that seniors with higher vitamin C levels have better grip strength and muscle function. Its powerful antioxidant effects also protect muscle cells from free radical damage, slowing down the natural process of muscle loss. To support senior health, aim for 200 to 400 milligrams of vitamin C daily, especially from fruits and vegetables like oranges, bell peppers, broccoli, and strawberries. You can blend a quick smoothie with spinach, kiwi, and frozen berries, or snack on sliced peppers with hummus for a vitamin C boost. One retired teacher added a morning smoothie to her routine and reported fewer muscle aches and better flexibility after just 3 weeks. For better absorption, pair vitamin C with iron-rich foods or choose liposomal supplements for advanced delivery directly to your muscle tissue. This simple habit helps prevent muscle loss, keeps your body energized, and supports mobility so you can stay active and independent longer. Magnesium is a powerhouse mineral for seniors. It supports muscle strength, energy production, and helps prevent muscle loss as you age. As you get older, your body absorbs magnesium less efficiently, and many medications like diuretics and antacids can deplete your magnesium levels further. Magnesium helps muscles contract and relax smoothly. Without it, you may experience cramps, stiffness, and increased muscle fatigue. The Cleveland Clinic reports that over 60% of adults over 60 are magnesium deficient, especially those with chronic health conditions. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, confirms that even a mild deficiency can impair protein synthesis and energy production in muscles. To support mobility and healthy aging, aim for 320 milligrams daily for women and 420 milligrams for men. Magnesium glycinate is gentle and highly absorbable. Top food sources include dark leafy greens, nuts, seeds, beans, and whole grains. Try adding spinach to omelets or snacking on almonds. A senior man with leg cramps started taking magnesium glycinate at dinner and felt relief within 1 week, with more relaxed sleep and better mornings. To increase absorption, take magnesium with food and avoid taking it with high-dose calcium at the same time. Magnesium may be a quiet mineral, but it plays a big role in helping you stay strong, flexible, and independent after 50. Creatine isn't just for athletes. It's a powerful tool to preserve muscle strength, mobility, and healthy aging for seniors over 60. As we age, our muscle cells lose the ability to produce quick bursts of energy, making everyday movements like climbing stairs more difficult. Creatine helps your muscles create and restore ATP, the primary fuel source for strength, balance, and fast physical responses. Harvard Medical School states that creatine can significantly improve strength and mobility when paired with light resistance training in older adults. A study from the Journal of Gerontology found that creatine users gained over 2 hex of lean muscle and 14% more strength in just 12 weeks. To prevent muscle loss and improve mobility, take 3-5 grams of creatine monohydrate daily, no loading phase required, for seniors. Natural sources like red meat and fish only provide small amounts. Supplementation is essential for therapeutic benefit at older ages. A retired man in his late 60s started creatine and light-strength exercises, and within a month he walked faster, stood up easier, and felt stronger. Choose micronized creatine monohydrate for better absorption. Mix it in water, juice, or a protein shake once per day. Creatine is safe, well-studied, and one of the simplest ways to maintain your energy, strength, and independence as you age. High-quality protein is the building block of muscle, strength, recovery, and healthy aging, especially important for seniors after the age of 60. As we grow older, our bodies become less efficient at using protein, which means we need more of it to maintain muscle and prevent muscle loss. Protein provides amino acids that repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Without enough, muscles shrink and mobility declines. Harvard Medical School and the National Institute on Aging both emphasize that protein intake is directly linked to strength, balance, and physical independence in older adults. Studies show that seniors who eat at least 1.2 grams of protein per kg of body weight daily experience better muscle retention and lower fall risk. Choose high-quality protein sources like eggs, Greek yogurt, lean poultry, tofu, beans, and fatty fish. Spread intake evenly throughout the day. Add eggs to breakfast, a protein smoothie at lunch, and grilled salmon or chicken for dinner to meet your daily needs. A senior woman who struggled with leg weakness started eating more protein at every meal and felt stronger and more steady within 2 weeks. To improve absorption, pair protein with light physical activity like walking or stretching. It signals your muscles to use the nutrients effectively. Protein is simple, powerful, and one of the best tools to preserve strength, boost energy, and support senior health at every stage. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for muscle strength, inflammation control, and long-term senior health, especially for adults over 60. As we age, chronic low-grade inflammation becomes more common and can accelerate muscle loss and mobility decline if left unaddressed. Omega-3s, especially EPA and DHA, help reduce inflammation, support muscle protein synthesis, and improve exercise response in older adults. Harvard Medical School and the Cleveland Clinic both confirmed that omega-3s enhance muscle function and reduce age muscle breakdown. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults taking omega-3 supplements gained more strength during exercise than those who didn't. To support healthy aging, aim for 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA daily, preferably from fish oil or algae-based supplements. Top food sources include salmon, sardines, flax seeds, walnuts, and chia seeds. Try grilled salmon or a smoothie with ground flax daily. A white European senior woman with joint stiffness began taking 1,500 milligrams of omega-3 daily and felt more flexible and energized within 3 weeks. Take omega-3s with meals that contain fat to boost absorption and store them in the fridge to maintain freshness and potency. Omega-3 is a gentle yet powerful nutrient that protects your muscles, supports brain health, and helps you stay mobile and independent with age. Let's take a quick moment to recap the 8 simple but powerful steps to protect your strength, energy, and independence after 50. OQ10 supports energy inside your muscles, especially if you take statins or feel tired doing everyday tasks. Vitamin D helps you move with balance and confidence while lowering your risk of falls and muscle weakness. Vitamin B12 keeps your nerves and muscles in sync, reducing fatigue, shakiness, and brain fog with age. Vitamin C builds and protects your muscle tissue through collagen and antioxidants, great for recovery and injury prevention. Magnesium supports smooth muscle movement and deep sleep, while preventing painful cramps and fatigue. Creatine improves your strength and helps you move better, especially when combined with light exercise for healthy aging. High-quality protein rebuilds your muscles and keeps you strong. Just include some at every meal for better results. Omega-3 reduces inflammation, protects muscle and brain health, and keeps your joints flexible as you grow older. You don't need to do everything at once. Just start with one habit and build from there. It's never too late to rebuild strength and regain independence. Which of these 8 tips will you try first to improve your muscle strength and support your healthy aging journey? We'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, questions, or your personal experience in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else on their path to better senior health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Senior Health Guide for simple, science-backed tips to stay strong, active, and independent after 50. We post new videos every week to help you live better, move easier, and feel more confident, because senior health deserves daily care and support. Thank you for watching and being part of a growing community that believes it's never too late to rebuild strength and enjoy a life of purpose.